In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record the sale of inventory products in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter a sale so your inventory quantities, revenue, and cost of goods sold stay accurate behind the scenes. This process is quick, but it's important to choose the right form and fill in the key details so your books and your inventory stay in sync. Start by opening the plus New button at the top of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, choose Invoice if you're billing a customer and expect payment later, or choose Sales Receipt if you're taking payment immediately at the point of sale. Picking the right option ensures your accounts receivable and cash balances reflect the transaction correctly. Next, select the customer from the drop-down. Make sure you pick the exact customer you're selling to so the sale shows up under their profile and so the email details are accurate if you plan to send the form. Accurate customer selection also helps with your sales and aging reports. Now add the inventory product. In the Product and Service line, choose the item from your Products and Services list. It's best to use an item that's set up as an inventory product so QuickBooks can automatically reduce the quantity on hand and record the related cost of goods sold. Enter the quantity sold, and QuickBooks will calculate the amount based on the product's price you've set up. Take a quick moment to confirm the rate and item description look right for this customer. If sales tax applies in your location, review the sales tax on the form. Ensure the correct tax is selected so the total includes the appropriate amount and your tax liability is accurate. If the item or customer is exempt, verify that status before you save. You can add a memo or note for your reference, such as the delivery date, special terms, or a brief description of the order. Notes make it easier to search for this transaction later and give your customer helpful context on the document. If you have supporting files, like a signed estimate or purchase order, attach them here so everything stays organized in one place. When you're ready, choose Save and Send to email the invoice directly to your customer, or select Save and Close if you just need to record the sale without sending it. Either way, QuickBooks updates your inventory, revenue, and related costs automatically once the form is saved. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.